Hello, beautiful children of the Most High. Welcome back to Sophie's Cooking Corner, where love cooks. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I prepare fried up saltfish. At this point, I am boiling the saltfish to get the excess salt from it and also to soften. Voila, guys, here the saltfish is being cooked and I have it here in a container because I'm going to run cold water over the saltfish to cool it down and also to help in the cleaning process. After the saltfish has been cooled, I took a knife and scraped back the scale from the saltfish. And after which that is over with, I went ahead and began to break my saltfish in small pieces. So guys, what I have here is green pepper, yellow pepper, hot scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, 2 tomatoes, and an onion. And I'm gonna start by cutting up my ground seasonings and veggies. Guys, here I have the veggies has been cut up and the saltfish is ready. Now let's take it over to the stove. So guys, in this frying pan I have some oil, and at this point I'm testing to see if the oil is hot, and yes it is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add my cut up seasonings and let this saute for a minute. So guys, my saute has been going on for a minute, and now I'm gonna add the saltfish to the saute. The aroma that is coming from this cooking, oh my god. Oh guys, I wish you all could just be right here with me as I'm doing this simple dish. It is breathtaking. So guys, you want to add your saltfish to the saute, right? Not when it's cooked out. You want to add it so that, you know, both of them can combine together for the saltfish to absorb that nice saute taste. Guys, you can let your saltfish simmer on cover or covered. In this case, I'm doing it uncovered. And guys, as you can see, I did not add any water at all to the saltfish. It's making its own water, and that comes from the seasonings. So guys, black pepper is optional. In this case, I won't be putting no black pepper in my saltfish, but if you choose to, you can go ahead and add black pepper to your desire. I'll be adding ketchup to the saltfish, and that will give it a nice, you know, thicker gravy, you know, and also add flavor to the saltfish. So guys, in this case, I'll be adding about a 1/4 cup of ketchup to the saltfish. So guys, if you're liking this video so far, remember to go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also share the video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Turn the post notification on by clicking the bell, the one that says all. Yes, so that you can know whenever I upload my videos. Okay, thank you. So guys, if you choose to, you can go ahead and tip a little hot water in this beautiful fried up saltfish. You know what? It's time for me to present. So guess what? Meet me at the table to see what I'll be having this with. Irresistible, guys. I'm having here 3 boiled cornmeal dumplings and a slice of yam. This is how saltfish is basically eaten in Jamaica. You can have it with rice, but this is preference. Thanks for watching. Bye.